What is good? We're outside the SK11 gym. I'm currently walking to go do laundry. Today's one of my rest days, yesterday in the day, which I severely needed. So I'll probably be doing the gym vlog, showcasing the gym tomorrow. And then other than that, I'll be showing you guys where you can do your self-service laundry over here in Kata. I think the walk from where I'm staying currently, which is the Grand VIP Kata Hotel, is maybe like a kilometer or so. I'll have the exact location pinned for you guys on the map, or I'll like pop it up for you guys. I'll have the pinned location on the map, self-service laundry, and we'll be checking out the prices over there. Then I think you can also buy laundry detergent for relatively cheap, for like 5 or 10 bucks or something like that over there with the machine. And we'll be doing a little cozy vlog. Kind of uneventful, but at the same time, since I sobered up like a month ago, editing, I like making like daily content and editing because it gives me something to do and it keeps my mind busy in the evenings. So I'm gonna be heading to the self-service laundry, and then I'm going to be reading a book or something while I wait, and maybe catching some lunch at one of these restaurants over here. There's also laundry services, so if you guys want to save time and have someone else do it for you, you can also opt in for that option, which might be relatively cheap. I'm not sure how much a self-service laundry machine is over here, but since I have quite a few items of clothing, I would rather do it myself because I really don't mind waiting. I mean, I know in Chiang Mai I did at a really reasonable price. I think it was like 70 baht per kilogram for the express, so pick up the same day. And then outside of that, I think it was like maybe 40 baht or something if you were to pick it up the next day, 40 baht per kilogram. So the option is always up to you. And I think the self-service laundry is somewhere, last time I checked it was on the left side, a few kilometer walk, but it's also nice to get outside of the hotel room, even though this bag is kind of relatively heavy, and do some walking, because yesterday I just pretty much chilled inside the whole day. And I think it was like raining a little bit yesterday, so when it's raining and when the weather's not so great, you kind of want to have lazy days, especially on a rest day from the gym. Like, man, my body has been so tired lately, especially after that 12-kilometer hike to the Big Buddha, and then coming back from that was quite the trek, quite the journey. It's only been a few minutes and I'm already in the heat of the sauna that is Thailand, man. Like I said, the heat and humidity, no matter if it's raining, no matter the weather, I'm always sweating, man. I don't think there's ever a time where I can step foot outside Thailand and then not sweat. But here we have the Otteri Wash Dry, and this is where we will be doing our laundry. And here we have the coin dispenser, and then I guess here you guys can buy the laundry detergent. Everything is unfortunately in Thai, so I don't really understand, but fuck it, we'll figure it out. Over here at the Otteri dispenser, you get these coins, which are like these tokens, so you don't actually get 10 baht coins, which probably then put into the washing machines. And then over here, you guys can buy your laundry detergents or fabric softeners, I think for 5 baht a piece. And these tokens don't go here, so you need coins for that. And here we have the washing machines on this side, drying machines on that side. As you guys see, there is different prices for different washes for the amount of tokens required. So if you want this, then it's 60 baht, this, then it's 80 baht. And I think you have the amount of time, so 26 minutes over there. And then as for the liquid detergent, pretty straightforward. Liquid detergent goes here and the softener goes over here. And now we just wait for 26 minutes. So overall it is a pretty good setup, relatively cheap as well. It's only 26 minutes to do the washing. Washing machines are over there. Then the drying machines are over here. First I thought this was the washing machine, but I was sorely mistaken. And like I said, here you get the token vending machines. I believe the tokens are then used for the washing machines and the drying machines. If you want the laundry detergent, that's separate. It only costs 5 baht for laundry detergent or fabric softener. And then you can just use your regular baht coins over there. Over over here you can do your drying, which only costs 40 baht. So I paid 60 baht to do my washing, 40 baht to do my drying, in a total of 100 baht. Like I said, they had a little bit more washing options and different temperatures that would range from 60 all the way to 80 baht. So I guess the most you would pay is like 120 baht in total, which is really efficient. In Bangkok, I was paying 100 baht for washing, 100 baht for drying in the self-service laundry that I personally used. And these machines are a lot better than the ones that I was using over there. Your boy has just finished his laundry. Whole process took less than an hour. And now I'm gonna head back, drop off this bag at the hotel, and then the plan is to try and find some swim goggles. Hopefully I can find a store in Kata that sells swim goggles. Otherwise I might need to head to like a sporting store in Phuket town, because I want to go swimming every day in my hotel pool, and lately I've been opening my eyes in the water so I can see where I'm going, right? So I can swim laps properly. And since the pool's chlorine water, in the evenings before I go to bed or after I swim, my eyes get really, really dry and kind of irritated. So I would rather prefer having swim goggles, and that way as well, when I go to the ocean, visit the sea, I can open my eyes underwater without having the salt water burn my eyes.
Or baby, serve that daily. Have a little look here, son, get wavy. Need some food, hanging out crazy. Same tracksuits, I'm hanging out daily. Come out, look at the smell. Leaving the crib, but you'll be back in a bit.